What's up, my ninjas? This is the Internet Income Ninja, bringing another value-adding video to you this morning. It is currently 9:47 Eastern Standard Time, and it is December 6th, 2021. It's 14 days till Christmas. Actually, no, it's 17, 18 days till Christmas. All right? So I want you guys to all get your stuff together, start getting your money together. And if you don't have something lined up to make money, consider subscribing to this channel, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share so that you can learn more amazing ways to make money online. This lead is about a program manager position at blockchain integrations, right? Well, you're the program manager for blockchain integrations at a company called Chainlink Labs. So if you've been in the news on social media, everybody's talking about cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, the Metaverse, and all these amazing things. This is your chance to make money from all of the hype. Now, I'm not saying you have to invest in cryptocurrencies or buying NFTs or stuff like that, but you can actually work directly with the technology that is used to create all these things. And so they're creating a program manager position to work remotely, full-time, from anywhere in the world. Okay? Now, when you come to this page, as I say usually when I talk about this particular website, if you press that button, it takes you to their website. That's good to do because the more information you have on the company, the more weaponry, the more tools you have to use in the interview, right? Now, the company is based in San Francisco. It's in an engineering role, not engineering in the sense that you're working with equipment and fluids and pressure, but more of like a development side of things. Okay. It's remote and again completely full-time. Now, all roles with Chainlink Labs are globally remote based. We encourage you to apply regardless of your location. We're looking for a high-performing blockchain integrations program manager. Detail-oriented, efficient, and a creative problem solver to manage strategic projects for onboarding new integrations to Chainlink. You will own the project management that enables our user success. A dynamic program manager. You will drive expansion of Chainlink blockchain integrations. You will build scalable program management mechanisms and oversee delivery of multiple projects. You will work with cross-functional stakeholders to align on priorities, develop processes, and own status updates and program reviews to ensure stakeholder alignment, guaranteeing their success through use of our services. The impact they want you to have is as follows. They want you to define and execute cross-functional programs. Work directly with the company's founders to form and execute a larger blockchain integration strategy for Chainlink. Facilitate communication between different departments to ensure that the blockchain integration program is always moving forward. Understand, appreciate, communicate, and manage scope creep. Manage and utilize resources across multiple teams and projects. Manage and mitigate risks related to the program. Develop relationships with key stakeholders of other blockchains. Determine roadmap and plan for launching Chainlink onto additional blockchains. Now, the requirements or your qualifications should include 4+ years of professional experience in project or program management with consistent career progression in high-paced roles. Proven experience of successful technical project management. A relentless focus on customer success. Work experience in or passion for blockchain technology. Ability to think clearly, analyze quantitatively, problem solve, and prioritize tasks. Have the ability to establish credibility and work with key internal partners to get things done. Strong writing and communication skills and demonstrated ability to influence senior leaders. ability to work on a distributed team with a high degree of ownership, open-minded to new ideas with a mindset of continuous learning. Smart contracts are on track to revolutionize how all agreements work through an entirely new system of technologically enforced contract guarantees. Chainlink enables next-gen smart contracts that can be written about any or all events in the real world. The details of our approach can be found in our white paper. We are well recognized for providing highly secure and reliable blockchain connectivity to the world's largest enterprises such as Google, Oracle, Swift, and many more. This role is location agnostic anywhere in the world, though we ask that you overlap some working hours with Eastern Standard Time. So you can work from anywhere, but they want some of your hours to overlap with Eastern Standard Time. Okay? We are a fully distributed team and have the tools and benefits to support you in your remote work environment. Chainlink Labs is an equal opportunity employer, so they don't discriminate based on race, religion, sex, sexual orientation, veteran status, age, physical disability or physical ability, all that stuff. They just focus on your qualifications for the role. Now to apply, hit this button, and while you're at it, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share. Now something I want to share with you is after you press this apply for job button, you'll see a page pop up where you can start entering your information, your resume, cover letter, attachment of work you've done. And what I want to share with you is if you do not have a solid resume or cover letter, fear not. Because in one of the links below, there's a link to a free website called Canva where you can put together a resume that will allow you to plug and play. Open the resume template that you like. It asks for your name, you enter your name. It asks for your age, you enter your age. It asks for your address, schooling, you just enter that information. Download it and upload it to your application. That's it. And it's free. So check that out. Also, if you're interested in starting your own semi-passive or passive income stream, click the first link in the description below. It's a free video that shares with you how you can create massive success from your laptop from home, starting your own online business. All right, gang. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Stay safe. Peace.